Okay, now here's a neat tool that you can use called TwitPic. You just go to twitpic.com, and here you enter your Twitter username and password, and then you just log in. Okay, and then once you've logged in, it brings up your account, and you'll see here that it has the information from your account. But up here, you have upload photo and settings. Now, if you click on settings, what you have here is you can email your photo from your phone to this email address with some comments on it, and it will post it right to your Twitter account. So if you're out and about and you want to post something onto your Twitter account as a tweet, all you have to do is take a picture on your phone and then text it to this address with a comment, and voila, it's on your Twitter page. Now, you don't have to use your phone. We have here upload photos. And what you can do here is bring a photo off of your computer, add a message and post it here, and then it will post it to Twitter. Now, why is this handy from a marketing perspective? Well, if in our case we're looking at PLR products, we could show an example of one of our PLR products. We could browse for the art that we have for it on our computer, and then add a message to it, and then when we upload, it'll upload it to Twitter as a tweet. Now you can also do some personal things here. I'm just going to upload a picture of myself when I went camping or something like that, and put a little post down here, and just to show you how it works. So let's just browse for something, pick the photo, and you just put your message down here. Okay, so there's my message sitting around the campfire, etc., etc. Now down here we can say, check this if you do not want this photo posted to your Twitter account. But we do, so we'll just click upload. Okay, so it says our photo's been uploaded. View the photo. There we are. Now if we go look at our Twitter account, it will link back to this picture. So let's go back to our Twitter account here. Okay, and there it is. So people can read it and then they can click on here. And there's our picture there. So that's how you can use TwitPic to tweet on the run if you want. You can take a picture on the run, put some text in there, text it, and it will end up on your Twitter account. This makes it look a little more personal, not like you're just some marketing machine. You do want to have some personal content within your tweets as well as your marketing. Twitter can also be seamlessly integrated with Facebook and MySpace and some other networks. I'm going to show you Facebook. If you have a Facebook account, this is where you can integrate the two together. It's a Facebook app, and I've included the link to that in the resources document. Okay, so you can either sign up here if you already are a member of Facebook. Just sign in after you hit the apps page here. Okay, and then whether you're going to allow access for Twitter, so you'll want to allow that. Okay, and then after you've enabled that, you need to add your Twitter username and password here. Log in. Okay, so it's now brought in the public timeline from Twitter into my account here. And we can allow Twitter to update your Facebook status. So I'm going to allow that. So allow status updates. Okay, so whenever we're on Twitter now, it's going to appear in Facebook, and we can also do the same thing in Facebook. Anything we post in Facebook will end up in Twitter. So that's how you can integrate those together. This can give you some good traffic because now you have two platforms working together. Trello is an excellent way to start getting some followers. And Twilio is broken down into categories, so it makes it easy for people to find you, and it makes it easy for you to find people that are interested in what you are promoting or what you're interested in. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is click up here and do Get Listed. Okay, then you come to a screen like this, and it tells you here that you need to have Protect My Updates unchecked. So if you have that checked, you're going to have to uncheck it. Then what you want to do is put your Twitter screen name in here, and then enter the text down here and submit. Okay, so click Submit. Okay, and you'll see down here it says Success. And you'll see now down here we can register on Twilio just by putting in our Twitter password and email here, and then we can register right from this box right here. So Twitter password goes here, and whether you want to subscribe to the Twilio emails or not, click Register. Okay, now you can go into the profile editor, and we're going to change some things around in here. Now what you're going to want to do here is you might want to create an extended bio. Okay, now you have 2,000 characters that you can give a bio of yourself here, rather than limiting yourself to what you have on your Twitter profile. And you're allowed to use the following HTML tags in there as well. So we'll save that. Okay, and then here it is down here. Now, we also want to add some categories. So to do that, all you have to do is browse through Trello, and then you can pick the category out of here. So pick the ones that are relevant for whatever your Twitter account is targeting. Okay, so down here we have Internet Entrepreneur. So we want to add that, and that's all you have to do to add categories. And you can add up to 10 categories. So go ahead and find the most relevant 10 and try and get them in the right order. In other words, the most relevant category you should pick first. Okay, so work at home. And you don't have to use all 10 either. If you can only find 4 that apply to you, then only use those 4. Okay, so once we've done that, go have a look at our profile. Okay, so you'll see here are the categories that we selected, and if we want to get rid of them, all we have to do is click this over here. Okay, so we're all done setting up Twilio. Now you can search for people on Twilio if you want, and start following them if you like to do that, to get some people that are in the same field as you. Now you can also go to Pulse, and since you're subscribed to categories, there will be some pulse settings in here. Okay, and then what you can do is you can expand or visit the category. So we visit the category, we can see the people that we're posting in here, and if we want, we can click to follow. So by following people, this is a good way to get people to follow you back. Also, people will be looking for you because as you tweet, you will show up in here as well. So make sure that you tweet, and that way you also get posted into here and people can find you. Now I just thought I should mention signatures. This is really just common sense. You should have a signature on everything that you send out pointing back to your Twitter account. So to start with, you can set up your email client, and depending on which one you use, there will be a signature tab. You put your signature in there. And if you're a member of a forum that has something to do with what your Twitter account is about, then you need to have a line in your signature that points back to your Twitter account.